What's going on, guys? So I'm sure you can tell by the title we're going to be talking about kind of what the biggest change you can do to your vehicle, and I guess kind of unfortunately this is one of the more expensive things to do, but since I have to change this up, I figured I would do a video on it. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you all what I'm talking about. So yes, there we are sitting on stocks, and it is an absolutely beautiful truck. And you know, I'm not complaining. It's if you got stock wheels and tires and your truck's leveled, there's nothing wrong with that. This is just me showing the tremendous difference that a set of wheels and tires can do. Because in all honesty, this truck right here, aside from the cost of the truck, anything done to it is pretty cheap. I mean, a leveling kit, $100. You know, paint to match stuff, cheap. Tail lights, a couple $100. Window tint, a couple $100. Whatever, exhaust, a couple $100. You know, of course they all add up to a pretty significant value, but overall this is, you know, the cheap, easy to do stuff. And then you get into wheels and tires, and obviously it depends on what you buy. You can put some tires on the stock wheels, that's the cheapest, but you can also go for the better look, in my opinion, of some aftermarket wheels and tires. And of course you can spend $1,000 or you can spend $10,000. It just depends on what you want. But yeah, I'm gonna do a quick walk around of the video and catch up. By no means ugly or anything, it is good looking. The thing I can't stand is the no offset. So I mean, it really bothers me when the wheels and tires are stuck inside the fender well. I don't like that at all, especially the front with the square fenders. It just looks really goofy to me. Like I said, not anything against you if you have stock wheels and tires, because it is a great looking truck still. But I'm going to swap the 22s back on, and so we're going to have a direct comparison. And yeah, I'm just going to cover the camera, and when I reveal it, they'll be on there. So if you're wondering what can significantly change the entire feel, look, and it's just the whole demeanor of a vehicle, it is wheels and tires. It just has the biggest difference than anything else, and it's pretty crazy. Just it can change the entire attitude of the truck just by swapping wheels and tires. So without further ado, let's get to it. There you go. What a difference. It's almost laughable. So much better. Also washed it too, so that always helps. But so I figured I might as well throw this in at the end, because it will once again show you just how much it can change the demeanor of a truck. So whereas you just saw the Chevy go back to looking much better with the 22x12s and the Aturos, we're gonna have a little reversal on this thing where it looks pretty beast in my opinion right now, And then as soon as we swap, we'll be back on stocks. And in my humble opinion, it looks a little goofy. So, all right, here we go. And super rip. Oh, it looks absolutely goofy as can be sitting on stocks. I told y'all it was gonna be rough. You can't deny that whatsoever. The huge impact wheels and tires have, bigger than anything. So figured I would do this. Chevy's looking good again. The OBS is crying again. It needs some wheels and tires. Something fierce. I mean, it's not bad. It's not ugly. It looks a lot better going down the road than it does just sitting here in direct sunlight. But yeah, so I'll see you on the next one.